Welcome to Part 6 of the GMDX Unveiling, Level Design and Graphics. Additional detail further defines the game world. Notice the changes here are very subtle. With GMDX, it is a matter of context and consistency, not the consistency of the mod, but of Deus Ex itself. This is Deus Ex's visual standard that GMDX aims for. It can be agreed that it has definition and style, whereas this and this are extremely barren and devoid of detail. But why alter it to this, for example? Originally, this train station had two platforms, yet no means to access the second platform. Aside from giving it personality, GMDX also fixes this flaw in logic, among other things. Such as, the newly added escalators enable the local security bots to traverse the station. And of course, wheelchair users too. When adding definition to the level design, one rule determined by Deus Ex itself is that if the player should realistically be able to interact with it, then he or she can.
You are not a recognized user for this device.
Another notable cosmetic example is the removal of the free clinic's illogical winding hallway. And more atmospheric lighting.
Construction of this building stopped during the crash of 46. Excuse me. It's been left to the bums.
Lighting changes are implemented with consideration of the influence on stealth gameplay, which takes precedence. Visuals are but one sub-focus. Existing scripted events are updated. All level bugs intend to be fixed. This is a previously inaccessible conversation as one example.
It feels like a fire in my gut.
I think you got a brain infection, that's all.
And entirely new events are added where appropriate. New level design expansions are few and far between, as without the original voice actors, there's only so far you can expand without a questionable lack of dialogue. So expansions that do exist are meaningful. One type of expansion takes previously empty play spaces and takes them in interesting directions. The more common form of expansion is the new areas or paths added by demand of the RPG systems, such as the addition of new locked or hazardous areas to give further weight to those respective skills. Level design focus also covers level ambient audio design, contextual AI improvements, balance of paths, resource distribution, and general polish, all with the intention of remaining true to and refining the original design. Aside from level definition, graphics are further updated through other means. Take the following examples. Deus Ex's level design remains one of the finest examples of the craft in many respects. Could GMDX have possibly improved it? You decide. As for graphics, GMDX focuses on the remaining elements that New Vision and HDTP did not cover, and was designed with them from scratch for optimal results. Learn more about GMDX in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching.